Addison Squad, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Addison, and in today's video, I'm going to be making cake pops. So let's get into the video. So the first step is to make the cake. Cracking eggs. Oh, I hate that goose stuff. Oh, that is so cold. Can you wash your hands? Now I have to wash my hands. So now I just washed my hands, and now we're gonna put the oil. Hold on. I'm very scared. Oh. Now, I have to do water. Way over there. And that. Now we have to mix. So now it's mixing time. So now I'm just gonna pour it in. I just realized that I have my baking merch from Rosanna Pants, you know? So I have my little mix, which is huge, and I have my little apron. So we're gonna bake it to 34 to 38 minutes, and I'm just gonna put this in the oven. So let's do it. So now I'm just gonna set the timer. So now I'm just going to be waiting until the cake bakes, and then we're gonna come do the other stuff. So now I'm just gonna crush it all up. So now we have to have frosting. Now we have to mix. So now we have to roll, but you always have to wash your hands. So it's the next day now, and we had to let the cake pops go in the refrigerator for a few hours, but we just put it overnight. So now we just have to have the candy melt, and I'm just gonna end the whole thing and then yummy. So now I have to put it in the microwave. Let me move my chair. So now we just have to put it in the microwave. Cook time, 1, 0, 0. Now we just have to wait for them to melt, and then we have to put this bowl in. So now you just have to stir, like that one, it needs to come out like that, and we already did some of those. So now I'm just gonna stir this. Make sure you hold it like this, because it's very hot once you come out of the microwave. So I think that is it. That's good. And now I think I'm gonna get some stuff on camera when I'm gonna stick in these, okay? So, sorry, that's my dog. So let's see, cake pops too, I guess. So take a stick. You put it in the biggest chunk you have. thin. And you just twirl it. And then you don't have to go all the way through. You go halfway. And that's how you do it. I'm just going to maybe finish all of these, and then I will come back to you. So we just finished all of them. And now we're just gonna dip them. So I think I'm gonna do this one in orange, but I don't know if it's all dry yet. Hold on. I'll get back to you guys when I'm just gonna dip them. So now I'm just gonna dip it in.
Technical difficulties. We'll come back to this one.
Pulling off the stick. So now we are just going to put these in bags to obviously deliver them because we can't see them in person. We have to stay 6 feet. Oh.
Stay healthy. You have frosting on your face.
I do have frosting on my face. You know, who cares? I don't.
What?
There's that. And nothing happened. And I'm gonna do the rest off camera. Oh, I'm so. Oh!
What?
Were really good and they came out really good, but they kept breaking, which is really sad. But we found a way to not let them break. But that is the end of today's video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to be a part of the Addison Squad, and also click that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!